Today I'm going to show you how to rekit the NC104 bus and truck coupler. We're using the service instructions provided by Oasis, and we'll use the components from the service kit. Open the service kit and remove the NC104 tool. Press this into the front and pull forward the sleeve. On the back of the nozzle, remove the first retaining clip. Then remove the green sleeve. Uncouple the nozzle. Using a flat screwdriver or pick, remove the main retaining ring. Use the tool to press down the poppet and pull up the sleeve. Put aside the sleeve, remove the tool, remove the spring, the segments and the balls. Next, hold the body in the vise and using a large socket, remove the end cap. Completely remove the end cap. Use a pick to carefully remove the O-ring and backup from the end cap. Discard these. Put the end cap to one side. Remove the cap spring and put to one side. Place the assembly tool in the vise. Place over it the main body. Press down with one hand, use an Allen key to loosen off the cap screw. Lift up the main body and remove the internal poppet. Remove the spring from the poppet and put to one side. Remove the main poppet seal and also put to one side. Clean all of the components with brake clean or soapy water. Take the new poppet and apply silicone grease to the O-rings. Turn the assembly tool to the vise, put the poppet on it. Install the poppet spring, apply Loctite to the thread, place the main poppet seal into the body and place the body over the poppet. Apply Loctite to the cap screw. Hold down the body over the poppet with one hand and screw in the cap screw to the poppet. Install the cap spring. Apply grease to the O-ring and backup. Install the backup first and the O-ring as shown in this image. Make sure that the curve in the backup faces the O-ring. Apply anti-seize to the cap thread, hold the body in a vise and screw in the cap. Apply grease to the O-ring and segment slots. Install the sleeve spring. Place in the assembly tool and install the segments. Install the balls. Slide over the outer sleeve while holding down the assembly tool. Remove the assembly tool. Ensure the end of the main retainer is near the slot in the aluminium sleeve. Use a small flat screwdriver to press the ring into place. Press in the assembly tool to make sure the retainer clip is correctly located. Slide on the green sleeve and install the green sleeve retainer clip. Remove the assembly tool and your service is complete. Make sure that you test the device on the first use. Make sure that you check for leakage when it's first used.